Hello and welcome to the Vlamo GIS Web Map Tutorial Part 1. This is a look at the measurement tools and how to use this map for planning a project. We've got the link to the map on our webpage vlamo.org. Scroll to the bottom and we see GIS site. I've already zoomed in and worked with the layers, so to get to a spot that looks like this, we will want to turn off the municipalities, turn on an aerial map, and when you're zoomed in, you can turn on the contour elevations and the parcels. So now we have our slope, we have our property line, we have a space we're going to work with. Maybe we just want to learn more about the property. Maybe we need to work around a wetland boundary. I will go into more detail about the layers in the map in part 2, but for now we've got enough to plan out a project. Under measurements in the ruler, we define our unit and simply click to create a shape and get a measurement. Double click to close it, and voila. Next one is a distance measurement. Got a few different units, and we can measure A to B, or we can create a perimeter. The last one is a latitude longitude. And when you have a vision or you're doing a project, we've got all these tools for marking up a map, designing something. If you're going to plant a tree, if you're going to create a boundary, something like that. This can help communicate with a landscaping contractor or a nursery to express your vision. Once you have that game plan, let's give the map a title under that print icon. We've got 2020 Master Plan. Give it a layout and file type. Print and do whatever you need to do with that file. So that's the basics. That is enough to experiment. Tune in for part 2 about the layers in the map. For now, thank you for watching.